Stage interesting facts. The biography of Sir Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming was the first bacteriologist whose discovery of penicillin in 1928 paved the way for antibiotic therapy for infectious diseases. This Scottish bacteriologist, after taking his degree in 1906 at St. Mary Medical School, London, started working on antibacterial substances in the same school. After this, he went to Army Medical Corps and continued his research there. When World War I was over in 1918, he returned to St. Mary Medical School. In 1928, he was working on antibacterial substances. He found a substance now called penicillin in the mold that prevented growth of bacteria. The story of discovery of penicillin is very interesting. Let's know about it. Fleming was using a pantry dish for his antibacterial experiments. One day he noticed that some strange flecks of fungus had grown in the uncovered pantry dish containing mucus from infected wounds. He also noticed that wherever the fungus had grown, the bacteria had died. He also noticed that the fungus had presumably been caused by a spore which had flown through and settled on the pantry dish. For the next few days, Fleming concentrated on testing the strange growth. He found that it was Penicillium. This was a rare fungus in the mold family. The strange event of bacteria killing was repeated experimentally by Fleming. First, he grew the rare variety of Penicillium. That he took the fluid from this fungus and examined its effect on bacteria. This experiment was repeated on different types of bacteria, and from these experiments he concluded that the fungus has a deadly effect on this disease which cause microbes. This was very significant discovery because the fluid acted on powerful repellent to the growth of bacteria. Since this fluid was obtained from the Penicillium fungus, it was even diluted solution of this substance was effective in stopping the bacterial growth. He also discovered the penicillin was a strange substance which during experimentation changed into some other substances and became ineffective. Due to this property, the substance to study the regarding penicillin could not progress much. This problem was however solved by Howard Florey and Ernest Chain of Oxford University in 1938. These two scientists stabilized the medicine by a complex process known as freeze drying. During the World War II in June 1941, penicillin was tested on 6 patients. The result was very much encouraging, but unfortunately, due to the shortage of penicillin, 2 patients died. This tragic incident proved that it was essential to produce the medicine in large quantities. At the end of 1941, penicillin went to America and discussed it with US scientists regarding the method of isolation of penicillin. American drug manufacturers gave him full support on his endeavor. After many months of tireless efforts, a flawless technique of extracting penicillin in large quantities was evolved. Soon the manufacture and use of penicillin became widespread, and this antibiotic became the backbone of the medical sciences. It saved thousands of lives during the World War II. Penicillin can be injected into human blood for treating diarrhea, pneumonia, and severe wounds. During these surgical operations, penicillin is given to the patients to prevent the bacterial infections from spreading. It is a very effective method for controlling viral diseases. After the discovery of penicillin, several other antibiotics like streptomycin, terramycin, etc. were discovered. Today, these antibiotics are saving the lives of millions of people all over the world. For this wonderful discovery, the Nobel Prize for Medicine was awarded jointly to Fleming, Florey, Chain in 1945. Fleming died in March 11, 1955 in London.